The magnetic field in a plane electromagnetic wave is given by By equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla sine of 0.5 into 10 to the power 3x plus 1.5 10 to the power 11 t. What is the wavelength, frequency, as well as write the expression for electric field? Okay. Magnetic field is given, By value, and now By means magnetic field is along y-axis, right? Yes, By, magnetic field is acting along y-axis. But what is the standard equation? B equal to B naught sine of kx minus omega t or plus omega t. But in this equation, it is plus, so wave is traveling along negative axis, we'll also write plus. B naught value by comparison, we can write 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. K, propagation constant is 0.5 10 to the power 3. Then omega value is 1.5 into 10 to the power 11. These are the given values. Okay, now we'll start. Yes, wavelength lambda equal to 2 pi by k. K is equal to 2 pi by lambda, propagation constant. So everything known for us, k value how much? 500 radian per second. So we got the wavelength. Okay, next step is frequency. Omega equal to 2 pi by t or 2 pi f. So f equal to omega by 2 pi. Omega value is given and 2 pi. So we got the frequency. Then E naught equal to B naught into C, right? Yes. Therefore, E naught equal to C velocity of light into B naught, 2 into 10 to the power minus 7, 60 volt per meter. Now, we have to write the equation for electric field. Magnetic field is along y-axis. Propagation is along x-axis. Now, we have to write the expression for electric field. Electric field will be along the z-axis. E z equal to E naught sine of kx plus omega t. You may ask why it is along z-axis, because k cap wave is propagating along negative x-axis. This plus sign indicates that wave is propagating along negative x-axis. This is minus I cap. E cap cross B cap gives the direction of propagation. So direction of propagation, we got it. And electric field, we don't know. But magnetic field is given along J cap. Therefore, something cross J cap equal to minus I cap. So you understood this should be K cap. So I hope it is clear. Electric field cross magnetic field equal to direction of propagation. I don't know electric field, but magnetic field is J cap. That is equal to minus I cap. J cap. So that should be K cap. So B is along Y direction. Electric field is along Z direction.